Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. It's the holiday season. I got an unboxing for y'all. So just sit back and enjoy the ride. Check this out, people. First of all, I want to give a shout out to my man JD from the Traveling Watch Project, who sent me this watch right here. This is a Seiko 5. I believe he said it was from 1968. You know what I mean? Appreciate it, sir. You know what I'm saying? That's love, you know, and fabulous watch for sure. So thank you, JD, from the Traveling Watch Project. But let's get into this unboxing right quick. All right. I ain't got my knife. I left it downstairs, so we're going to use good old keys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Throw that over there, you know. So here's the packaging right here. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Let's go ahead and open him up. Wham! This is a watch from Matthew and Sons. Finally touched down before Christmas. Shout out to Matthew, who was on the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast. It was a great time. You know, if you guys have a chance to check out that episode, go check that out. You know what I mean? Leave us a like, something on iTunes. Go check that out, right? So let's go ahead and take this out. See what's up. Ooh, okay. Let's see. All right. First, let me show y'all this metal bracelet that came with it. You know. All right, and then let's open this up. Snap pouch. Wow. Okay. Okay. I like this. I like it. Now, it comes with this pouch. Of course, you can stick, you know what I'm saying, if you want to carry the watch, you can put the bracelet in it, you know what I mean, and the watch, you know, so nice touch. I like this. I like it a lot. All right. Now, here's what everyone has been waiting for. The reason why you came to the channel. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is fire, yo. Check this out. That is fire. That is lovely. On a 2-piece nylon strap. And it's, guess what? It's quick release. You know we love quick release. You know what I'm saying? Quick release. See that right there? Ooh, this is nice. I believe this is called the, let me see. The Irukandji Deadly Black. Take a good look at this watch, right? There we go. Close up. There we go. Yo, this thing is fly. I got some good weight to it too. Like that. I like that a lot. You know what I mean? Let's look at the back. This thing is awesome. Freaking awesome. You know. Whew, boy, you know the boy love quick release, I'm telling you. So we're gonna try this thing on the wrist right. And here we go. Matthew and Sons watch. The Irukandji in the building. Look at that. Whew. That is the bomb. Let's listen to that bezel movement right quick. Ooh, that is smooth as butter, baby. Smooth as butter. Yeah, I like that. Look at that right there. That's extra fly. Shout out to Matthew from Matthew and Sons for sending this watch out to me. I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? Full review coming on this next year. 2022 is knocking at the door. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It makes us feel good when y'all subscribe to the channel because it makes us feel like we're actually doing something right. You know what I mean? And I know it's a whole lot of y'all. Thanks to everybody who already subbed, new subs, all that. It's all love, yo. This your boy P. Ross, and we out.